Bust down, bust down. So we got a new wig. It's a 13 by 6 lace. Hello. Yes, yes. I'm liking the lace on this one, though. I can't cap. This lace on this one is nice, though. So we're going to install this today. First things first, we're going to cornroll this hair. 3 and 3.
I ain't clear shit. I know I'm getting hot. I gotta watch out who I chill with. I'm cutting bitches out now if they try to pull some weird shit. Cause ain't no disease and you need to get cured, bitch. I be getting a ass when I really am. I love. Palace, when you could. So I'm trying to make way. You ever felt stuck in kinda all your face? You ever woke up and felt like running away? My but I ain't get when I was in the rain. It's like you suffer lose a lot when you gain. I'm happy married with the game. When I ain't happy, I was looking at your pay. You want it right now, but now it's too late. I don't think you look for me. You say you love me. Why she on my line? Her name is Natalie, but she a Nat. And I don't even want to tell you like that. When I fall off of my she gon' choose, nigga. Yeah, and she gon' choose quick. And every time I pull up, I pull a new bitch. She left out in Miami, I just back 10. And bitch, we out here ballin' like the back 10. She gon' choose quick. I'm a break, baby boy. All they hoes like they wanna be me, nigga. Diamonds look just like the static on the TV, nigga. We ain't really fast until we love as hell, and it's forever. So I hope you never up and bail. And if you ever left me for someone, you gon' get someone killed. So usually I do 3 and 3 on both sides, but we did 4. So I think we're gonna do 4 and 4. Stay tuned. Kumbaya. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, to see it. Maybe that hit should be on her man and not Winona.
Note to self, it doesn't matter how much money you spend on a nose or how much money you spend on an ass or how much money you spend on lip injections. If your man want a new box, he feeling to jump in it. A warm mouth is a warm mouth, no? Get it. That's your car. No, you shut up. Go get it. Brittany. Ew, ew, ew. Don't you hear a car alarm? Good girl. Don't waste my time. So I be telling these niggas. So I be telling these. Period.
Oh, yeah.
Me no like chat for chat's sake. Me love for chat just to make my point. That's it.
Yeah.
We're just doing it. Yeah. Honestly, bro. Honestly.
Melody said, yeah, I heard about that beef, and she wasn't ready for her, because we all know she would be dusted in a second. She's trying to fight Tasty.
Facts. 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 Big Tasty, not the little one. Say it again. My name rings bells. Thank you. I don't know why the people out here in Calgary acting like I don't got a resume. You see that? I got a resume. Fuck is you talking about? Poof right in the pudding.
This is regular pain. No, it's not. It even says.
The hell? I just like that. See, when I get the strength to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you. And I'm mad because I love you. So I stop the things that may be. Baby, why you hurt me? Leave me underserved me. Looking out my window. Rising up, back on the streets. Who that Crody? You know that Crody.
Won't catch a nigga pants between your arms. I mean, yeah, I'm a hooper, baby.
Cut that shit. Throw foe, a bag chaser, a go-getter, ain't scared to hit the road. So, what's the trick?
You wanna see me shine? I dropped the bitch and knocked the bitch. It was perfect timing. She said, drop 4 bitches off naked. I got the blade high.
I'm a slick talker.
Slick talker. And a bitch snatcher. After I smoke this wood, you finna hit this blade after. Keep her hair on flick, her nails done. I keep my bitches packed. I need a bad bitch about her bag. That's my only standard. That's all I need.
Sorry, ain't gon' help you, nigga. You lost a solid bitch.
So fuck up on my phone with all that sorry shit.
Seem like the more I try, the more your stupid ass lie. Seem like the more I hide, the more my stupid ass die.
I was broke inside. The way I think it's so crazy how actually, let me just keep that to myself. Just know, some of y'all going live, I know y'all paid for that.
Fucking boy.
Just saying that.
Dunce fucking fool.
Majority of y'all paid for it. To be honest.
Yes. I do what my dog.
Hey!
You wasn't there when I was alone. Say that you care when really you don't. It's all in your actions, none of my fault. 'Cause I'm the kind you put to the side whenever you want.
Yeah, I feel cute, but you look better when you near me. Everybody sees we get done, that's how I know you crack. What you doing, girl? I've been missing you. Baby, what you doing? Baby, what you doing? Baby, what you doing, girl? I've been missing you.
My ear, yeah, you know I'm cocky. You wanna fuck you in the middle. Niggas scared of the pussy. I'ma make them fast as kittens. Gotta think for them street niggas. Other niggas can compete with them. Grip my ass with the Glock 4 while I rock a dick like a beat. Nigga, don't be